1988 Donruss wax pack box. This will be video 2 of 2. Going to open up the last 2 packs in the box, 3 and 4. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we pulled, also to see what we're looking for in terms of rookies, as well as what error cards, where corrected cards were made. No cards on the bottom. Let's go ahead and see what we can find in these last 2 15-card wax packs. That back card's going to have some wax residue, as I figured it probably would. So the Todd Benzinger card is going to have to go. Leaves us with our Stan Musial puzzle piece, which was the puzzle for 1988. And looks like we've got cards 298 to 303, and then down to 229 to 235 is the sequence. Got Bill Duran, Jose Oquendo, Dick Schofield, Donruss Diamond Kings card of Shane Rowley. Love the DKs. We'll put it up on the stand. Dale Svem. Eddie Murray. Nice. Oh, there it is. Alan Trammell, the GOAT. Very nice on that. Love getting that Alan Trammell. Mike Marshall. Rated rookie of Joey Meyer. Tom Foley. Jose Canseco, another phenomenal player. We'll take it. Bud Black. Mickey Hatcher. And finally, Dave Winfield. We'd put Dave on the stand, but he's the last card. So awesome pack there. We picked up Eddie Murray. Very nice. Picked up Jose Canseco. A little off center, but we'll take it. Picked up the GOAT, Alan Trammell. Awesome. And Donruss Diamond Kings card of Shane Rowley. Lost 1 card to wax residue. Last pack, y'all. That back card is going to be Mark Knudsen, and that's going to go due to some wax staining and maybe a little bit of, is that old age staining I see? Possibly. I don't see it on anything else, though. Looks like the puzzle's going to be the first 3 pieces for the Stan Musial puzzle. And it looks like they gave us cards 496 to 509. So we've got Jeff Calhoun, Robbie Wine, Bob James, Gino Petrelli, Greg Minton, Eric Plunk, Joe Hesketh, Angel Salazar, Ken Schrom, Tracy Woodson, Sam Horn, Tim Stoddard, and finally Bill Madlock. All right, so cooled right down on that 4th pack. All right, folks, there you have it. The last 2 15-card wax packs from our 1988 Donruss wax pack box. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay safe and stay tuned.